Okay, so now Dr. Shanwari and Professor Kesar, you can welcome the next session speakers, moderators, so that they can start the third session.
Kesar Jamil is going to invite the next two, please.
I'm happy to invite Professor M. Aslam, who is retired Major General and Chief Advisor of the Asian Council of Science Editors, and who will be chairing this session 3 as moderator, and also Professor Dr. Mona M. Husseini, Professor of Ibn Sina National College for Medical Studies in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So I invite these two to take over for session 3, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 speakers, and I hope they'll manage in time. Thank you, and welcome to session 3.
Thank you very much, Dr. Kaiser. Thank you for all the audience. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The first talker, inshallah, or speaker, the first speaker is Prof. Dr. B. Nageswar Rao. He is a professor in mechanical engineering. He got his PhD in mathematics from IIT Bombay, India. Currently, he is working as a professor at Ponnuru Lakshmaya Education Foundation in India. He also worked as a scientist and engineer at ISRO VSSC for trivalent. He is also worked there for around 33 years. He has secured the NCC as an Army wing. Also, he's carried out his researches at IIT in Mumbai with JRF and SRF. Actually, he has contributed 360 articles and 51 articles in conferences. He has successfully supervised around 17 PhD projects. He's a member of many societies, ISTAM, ISNT, and Life DNA. So welcome to Professor Dr. B. Nageswar.
Yeah. Thank you very much for your nice introduction. Before going to start my
Dr. Aslam, can you please stop the screen share so that the next presenter can share the screen?
Yeah. Are you able to see the screen, please?
Just a minute, Dr. Rao. Dr. Aslam, can you please stop the screen share so that the presenter can start sharing the slides?
Yep.
Yes, Dr. Rao, over to you. You can now share your slides.
Yeah. So are you able to see the slide, please? Hello?
Yes, it's clear, doctor, but let it full screen. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Before starting my speech, let me thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity to share my ideas with all you eminent people there. So when you look back, the current scenario in publications and all, some reservations I wanted to bring to your notice. That is why I have selected the topic, preserving research quality, what needs to be changed in technical journals. So far from morning, I am listening many of the speakers. They were also under the opinion, many of the predatory journals are publishing just like that without authority. Some of the journals they are publishing within 1 day or 2 days just because of the money. What need to be done? What type of ethical grounds we have to follow? Certain thoughts I wanted to present and share with you. Basically, before journals are starting, any new ideas, innovative thoughts are going to be incorporated in the minds of younger generation. Books were helping. But coming a thought to a book, it takes long journey. So journals have come. They are spreading the knowledge among all scientific community through their technical articles. When we are looking into it, how far they are true in the current situation is a big question mark. So the dilution of academic standards and poor quality publications has become a global concern due to compulsions on securing project funding, career advancement, promotions for teachers, and mandatory publications for PhD students. So many agencies have started that we know predatory commercial open access, online or e-journals for biomedical sciences, engineering and management disciplines, other disciplines also. Why these things have happened? They publish any manuscript for cost, which has given a simple way to show improved performance. Is this approach a healthy practice? All researchers have to give a thought about it. When we are thinking about that, there is a need to focus on quality through selection of good research topic, conducting tests, data collection, model development and its validation, article preparation, identification of a suitable journal for publication, because all these requires, it is not a one-day show. Even publication is also not a one-day effort. But there are many predatory journals have come, within 24 hours, they will select your paper and put it on the thing. So what need to be done under these circumstances? Researchers should have collaboration with industries to identify the problem areas. Just saying the word collaboration is not that simple to industry. Why industry would collaborate with other people who are interested to join with them? So they should have to show their caliber, that they will be helpful to the industry to solve their problems. But people are using their publication or some other things. By that means they are counting means. Sometimes it may misguide the industries. Once that misguiding is happening, they may not trust the virgin candidates also to collaborate. So in this area, one should be very particular. And there is a possibility to improve the quality in research, collaborating with the excellent researchers. This is also another problem. Why excellent researcher should collaborate with a lower cadre person? But motivation should come, understanding should come, helping mind should come, and progress, research progress, community development, each and everyone will think, then only there is a possibility to improve the quality in research. Individually, it is very difficult for engineering field to come up. Individually, it is very difficult for a person who is having self-centric nature, he cannot collaborate. So we have to search for such type of thing. Means it is not just asking, we have to put our background work, say that we are also competent to understand and collaborate with other researchers. This is the thing what is generally required. Of course, good publications are possible through good research, which will happen with a systematic investigation, innovation, and hard work. It is not one-man show. When a group is formed, all the fellows have to show equal importance and contribution. Then there is a way for further progress in science. Academia should create research environment to improve the quality of research and stop the activities of predatory journals just for head count. This many publications, then only your credit will be coming. It is not that. Even one publication is more than sufficient to prove its credentiality and useful to the society. These are all the things are essential for academy also should understand and implement these. Sometimes a good teacher need not be a good researcher. A good researcher need not be a good teacher. If both qualities are there, it is excellent. But where is essential, you focus more on them and expect a contribution. If academia can think on that, both teaching side as well as research side will improve. Otherwise, it will be handicapped. Then another one, which is really misguiding, abstracting and indexing. Journals, articles should be done in separate review journals. Why I am pressurizing separate review journals? It had to be done by re-evaluation by subject experts. Though the journal experts have agreed and published in there, it is very difficult to say all papers published in a standard journal with have standard publications. Sometimes some slipping will be there because of inadequate knowledge on the paper and the work done by the others. If the reviewers trust them and accept them, sometimes it may misguide. So whenever we go for separate review journal by other experts, if it is worth, they will try to abstract and index in their journal, then citation on such type of articles will deserve appreciation. It is not just abstracting and indexing and getting citations will give the value, credit to the author. It may be credit to the for journal for selling their journal publications. But for other which way, this is one of the things what educational institutions are thinking. Nowadays, even industry is also thinking of publishing the papers. Everybody is publishing only, then what will be happening? Who will read? Who will appreciate? Who will do it? I agree, as an industrialist, repetition of the work done by others will give more confidence. Repetition of the work done by others also will give more confidence. That's what the engineering society is expecting. A small improvement in already developed one also should be encouraged. But many of the review articles, all journals are providing. When we look back into those review articles, most of them are compilation of research articles. If you give any topic on Google search, you will get plenty of papers of their abstracts. Is it necessary one more article should write in that? Review articles should not be limited to compilation of research articles. They should focus on importance of the research topic, comments and suggestions on already published articles. This will give motivation to the researchers to initiate and contribute. That is why the review type of journal after publication in olden days, they used to send the publishers to the review journals to see. Then review journal fellows also again sending to the separate reviewer to have their opinion and write the comment on that. So that will give some more authentic information for a contributor, and a reader who is reading that article, he will have confidence in using them. Then another important thing which I have observed, if you are commenting on a old paper, hello? If you are commenting on a old paper, the journal will say it is an old article, audience may not be interested. If you are talking about recent, sometimes they accept it. There is nothing like old journal article or recent article. Once the researcher is identifying the mistake, it had to be corrected. Otherwise, there is a possibility for the juniors to go with the wrong information in wrong way. Journals should concentrate and see the validity of talking, the authenticity in correcting and comment. It has to be encouraged. Otherwise, we will be stepping in wrong direction. Journals should provide the valuable comments and suggestions to improve the clarity and quality of the research articles prior to rejection. Just like that, they say it is not met the scope. It is not reached up to the level. Why? Why not we spend 1 hour time on that and give a descriptive way why the paper has been rejected. That much patience is not there because a lot of commercial journals have come into the picture. Then if not they can go to the other, but it should be avoided as far as possible. So what I wanted finally, my speech is, journals also should play an important role to encourage the youngsters. Journals should also play an important role. A person who is commenting on already published paper, whether it is old or new, what we have to think is whether that type of comment earlier it was made, then you can reject it. Otherwise, it is worth considering reporting so that the researchers will be on the safe side, on the right boat. So these are all the essential things. And engineering point of view, many of the repeated type of investigations also should be encouraged. It is not what we can call as a plagiarism. Plagiarism means if he is claiming himself. Plagiarism, if somebody is citing the reference and we are doing it, where is that question of plagiarism is coming? He is supporting it. There will be some new thing he wanted to put it, that the journal should understand and encourage, then it will be a better route to travel and it will give definitely motivation to the youngster. All these experiences, citations, when we are talking, we had a long debate in the university also where I am working. When predatory journals are there, we are thinking of citation. Anything we can publish on cost. A hopeless matter we are publishing because they are not seeing what matter is there. They received their money, they are publishing. Immediately, some people will comment on the work, what it is published. While commenting, they have to cite the paper. When they are citing the paper unnecessarily for you, unworthy of the paper, it is getting citation. Are we going to give value for that? There is another case where an excellent work, after so many years, many researchers have involved. They have completed the talk. Finally, he is able to complete the solution without constraints. Later on, there is no much scope for further investigation. It is what well-established type of work is published in a journal. People use that, but they may not cite. Then what will be happening? Do you mean to say that that work has not got importance? So citations will help the journals for their business. Citations will not help for the researcher to show his improvement. But when his work is recognized in very good review journals, that will give more pleasure than this type of citations. So I request the journals to spend a little more time, and instead of accepting within 24 hours or 30 hours or 1 week or 2 weeks, take your own time and try to convince the others that we are on the job, and we will get you a fruitful result for further improvement in the articles. If we start at least, if not 100% free from that predatory activities, at least some 20 or 30% improvement is coming, it will gain the knowledge. Otherwise, it is very difficult to bring back to original state. So I am concluding my talk. These things, though simple way I have explained, please think on that, and at least a 10% of it is coming on the right direction. We will be very happy. Thank you. Thank you very much for the organizers for giving me an opportunity.
Thank you, Professor, for also adjusting time. Thank you very much.